y'all, it's Jayla aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join us over here, and let's get right into it. Today I'm doing a get ready with me. We're gonna do some makeup. I'm gonna show you my fit, and I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of where I'm going, which is actually gonna lead into next week's vlog. So again, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. Okay, let's get right into this makeup. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is a great drugstore primer if you're looking to blur your skin. Now, if you missed one of my recent videos, I did go ahead and tell y'all about my favorite concealer, my go-to concealer. That is going to be the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. I'm going to use the color 385 to spot conceal some of these areas that you probably see on my face. I'm going to use the color 360 underneath my eyes to conceal my dark circles. And then the color 280 is going to be my brightening color. Your girl is a little tired, okay? Experiencing a little bit of jet lag. So I like to use my e.l.f. concealer brush to blend out all of this concealer. So right now I'm going to go in and blend out my skin tone concealer.
I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
And this is what the under eye ends up looking like. So now that our concealer is nice and blended out, I'm going to go into my setting powder to really set underneath my eyes. That's the only place I actually worry about setting. I'm going in with the Mented setting powder. This is the Skin Silk setting powder in the color Light to Tan. If you are interested in any Mented Cosmetics products, I am a Mented affiliate. So go ahead and use my code JaiChanellie for 10% off at checkout. Now let's go into my foundation. I told y'all in my previous video, I have not used liquid foundation in a very long time. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder Foundation, and this is in the color 360. I'm using this brush from Mented Cosmetics. I actually think this is a bronzer brush, but I use it to apply my powder foundation. I just tap into my powder foundation like so, and I go ahead and stipple it right onto my face. Just make sure that you go in with your setting sprays to give a little bit of moisture back to your face. Moving on to blush, which has become one of my favorite makeup products, even though I used to hate it. This one is from Mented Cosmetics. It is called Pinky Promise. It is like a traditional pink blush, and I'm going to not only blush my cheek areas, I'm also going to take that up and onto my eyelids. Moving right along to bronzer, I'm going to bronze with the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in the color Caramel Cutie. Also, cheat code, I use this as my transition shade for my eyeshadow.
Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue.
Next, I'm going to use this under eye powder from Charlotte Tilbury. It is their Flawless Airbrush Powder. This is in the color Tan 3. Lightly dust underneath my eyes to really make sure there's no line of demarcation from where my concealer ends. We are almost done with the face products. I'm going to go in with my setting spray. This is the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. One last step I like to take to my face is to add my highlighter just as my setting spray is drying down, so it really helps that highlighter to look like it's coming from within my skin, underneath my skin, and not sitting on top of my skin. I will be using the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm. This is actually in the color Royal Icing, and I'm going to take this brush. I'm going to take a little bit of this highlighter. I'm just gonna pop it right on the center of my lid. That is all for the face makeup, y'all. I'm just doing my eyebrows and mascara today. Using this brow pencil from Mented Cosmetics. It is in the color Brow Down. I did clean up my eyebrows kind of recently. If you don't already know how I do my brows, I'll go ahead and link one of my maintenance routines where I'll show you exactly how I clean up my brows. I'm just gonna kind of define the tail of my brow, fill in any sparse areas right there. And then I'm basically just gonna put a line in the front so that I can brush up that product. But that is literally what I do to my brow. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put 3 coats of mascara on. Yes, 3, girl, because I like to see my lashes. This is the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara in the color ultra black. Last thing we have to do to finish off this makeup look is put on some lips. I'll be lining my lips with this Mented Cosmetics lip liner in the color Bear. And now I'm gonna finish it off with this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this is in the color Fussy. Very glossy looking. Let me go ahead and show you in different lighting so you can really see what we're working with. All right, y'all, so this is what my makeup looks like with this light. I'm just using this literal ceiling light. Y'all see that highlight? Gleaming, glistening. I just love this makeup look, y'all. I think it's a beautiful go-to makeup look. Let me know what y'all think about the look in the comment section below. Now I'm currently rocking a set of mini twists. If you have not already seen my mini twist tutorial, I'll go ahead and link it above for you.
Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss.
I have a ponytail holder with me, so we're gonna make something shape with that. Let me know if y'all want a dedicated video on how to style your mini twists. So I'm just taking the front two sections of my head. I'm gonna start French braiding them. So I'm taking a little section or a couple of twists, and I'm just adding those on top of the sections that I already have.
So outdated. How can we look the other way?
How do we feel about that, friends? This gives me half up, half down vibes, but a little bit more zhuzhed. All right, let's go ahead and put on some clothes. All right, y'all, so let's get into the outfit situation. I have on this black leotard. Yes, this is a leotard. It's actually a dance leotard. With the back out. I got this leotard when I was a freshman in college, and I have been wearing it as a top ever since. So the pants are black jeans from TJ Maxx. My mama got these for me. Shout out to my mama. So they're standard jeans. They do have a seam that goes down the middle all the way down to this split at the very bottom, which I thought was super duper cute. Also have on black boots. These boots are from Guess. My mama got these. Shout out to my mama. My mama be buying my clothes. This lovely plaid jacket from Charlotte Russe. If you did not already see my Charlotte Russe clothing haul, go ahead and check that out. When I go outside, I am going to put on a coat on top of this. So I have this faux Sherpa coat. This is an all black coat, and I got this from Forever 21. This is nice and warm. It's been keeping me warm all week, so I really appreciate this. And then last but certainly not least, we have my bag. I recently got this bag from TJ Maxx. It is from DKNY, and it has an adjustable strap. It has a little chain bag right here that hangs off the side. Absolutely love that detail. We have the gold chain, and I can fit a decent amount of stuff in here, which I'm very, very happy about. So I actually wear the bag as a crossbody. So yeah, y'all, this is how my outfit looks. Yeah, this is the fit.
Grazie. Prego.
Can you guess where I am? Hold on, let me make sure I'm walking the right way. I hope y'all enjoyed getting ready with me for dinner. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss next week's video, where I'll tell you a little bit more about my trip. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and on TikTok at JaiChanellie. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
But the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.